Check it out, guys. This is a Kent mango right here. Pretty good size. This is I think the last glen I had on the tree. This is a small one. They usually grow more like around this size. For me, the Kents in my tree are bigger. And then this is the what I call the white mango, which is very sweet but has a little bit of fiber. Then I have one that's similar to this, but a little bit more oval, not too big. They're kind of small, which I call the yellow one. And those you have to squeeze, and then you make a little hole on it, and you can squeeze it like juice and suck on it. But the Kents are pretty big. You can get a lot of a good serving out of a Kent. Well, it's winding down for me here, pretty much down to the last mangoes that I have. But it's been a good season. I've enjoyed it a lot. I have a lot of it that I froze as well, so looking forward to next year. But I still got some mangoes left to enjoy this year. And like I said, I'll make smoothies and juices and all that throughout the year, because I get way more than what I consume. And even though I give out away a lot and all that, but it tastes great. You can't beat a mango. I mean, I would say most people that want to try tropical fruit, go with a mango. It should be a mango you get that's fresh. If you try the ones at the store, they freeze them. And when they get to you, they barely taste. You can't even taste like a real mango tastes like. So try to get yourself a fresh one. You can order some places online, like a lot of farms. Julian, I know, ships it out. If you try a mango, I think most people, 9 out of 10 people, are gonna love mangoes. They're just very, very tasty. There's a lot of varieties. You're gonna find one that you like for sure. Everybody has their favorites. I'm missing the Kerry here, because I did get Kerry mangoes this year, but I don't have any on right there. We already ate them. The Kerry, I like getting it when it's still kind of green on the tree, and then let it ripen a little bit, and then I eat it. Once it gets pretty ripe where it falls and it's already fully yellow, then I don't like it as much like that. And my favorite, I would say, the Glen would be, out of the ones I have, would be my favorite, followed by the Kent, the white, and the yellow ones I enjoy. Kerry would be the last one on my personal taste list out of the ones that I have. But I do enjoy them. Like I said, if I pick them off the tree earlier, then I enjoy it more. But there's a lot of varieties. I mean, there's literally thousands of them. So you're gonna find, all sorts of different taste ranges, and like anything else, everybody's different. So you're gonna find some that you really love. Anyways, just wanted to show you so you could see a little bit of the size difference and tell you about a few of the varieties that I have, and so forth. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.